And we're back to another episode of the Northern Lights podcast, hosted by the Minnesota Cannabis College. We're in the studio today with Dr. Clem Dabney III. Welcome. Once again, welcome home. And tonight we're going to do Cooking with Clem.
Awesome. Yeah, so this is our segment, Cooking with Clem. We're going to try some of these maple syrup packets just to get like a base note of what we think they could be good on. And then we're going to make a couple items with these maple syrup packets.
Wow. Tasty.
So what do you think?
It's smooth, too.
Thank you.
Smooth. Silky smooth.
All right, so we're going to start out making one of my favorites. So this is vanilla bean ice cream. Probably the simplest recipe we're going to do today. But this is probably one of my more decadent desserts. And very simple and quick. Basically doing about 2 scoops of ice cream per bowl. Me, you, and Tanner
2 scoops.
are going to try some maple syrup ice cream. So we'll throw one of these on each one.
Wow.
So yeah, so our maple syrup is in single-serve individual packets. Each packet is Taylor's Falls maple syrup.
Minnesota, Maine.
Minnesota made, Minnesota grown. And yeah, each packet has 5 milligrams of hemp-derived THC in it.
I'm going to be showing up high to class this evening.
I know. The rest of my day, I'm taking off.
Oh, shit. I already took a microdose of mushrooms.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
Sharing is caring, Mark.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I got you.
All right.
Genetics going crazy.
I'll give you one of these. Here's one for Tanner. Man behind the camera. Shout out Dabbler Depot for the opportunity.
Right.
And Minnesota Cannabis College and the Northern Lights podcast for hosting us.
Wow. I would have never imagined such a possibility with vanilla bean ice cream.
Super simple, but yet complex. Nice and creamy, caramelly, all that maple goodness.
Man, it's like a party in my mouth.
Well, and one thing that I love is that you can't actually buy THC-infused ice cream in Minnesota, but they can't stop you from making it at home.
Exactly, yeah.
Right. Mm-hmm. Fun fact, you can improvise.
So, yeah, if you want to make your own THC ice cream, look at Dr. Dab's honey sticks or Dr. Dab's maple syrup packets. I think that's a cool way to make a simple yet decadent dessert at home.
Man, just like that, everybody could be eating THC ice cream. Some Doc Dab's Healthy Highs ice cream. Minnesota maple syrup.
Minnesota maple syrup from my own forest up in Taylor's Falls. So, yeah, I think we talked about it on the podcast last time, but I had some maple trees that
I've been up there.
And
yeah, I think I helped you set up like one of the first infrastructure for that.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Mm-hmm. That's a good time.
Hell yeah, beautiful. I mean, I know we're supposed to like just sample and stop, but I want to eat the whole fucking bowl.
I know, I'm kind of lactose intolerant, so I'm like trying not to finish it.
Oh, there's a bathroom nearby.
All right, I'll finish it.
Oh, holy shit. So we were thinking like there's probably endless possibilities for this syrup. And so let us know in the comments how you would use Dr. Dab's maple syrup, THC maple syrup. And that's another episode with Cooking with Clem.